Political commentator and former Robert Mugabe loyalist Jalas Mawarire has described the government's proposed general amnesty as a calculated political maneuver aimed less at mercy and more at creating room in prisons for those who may resist the government's controversial constitutional changes. Sarabina Mashkobda Pangwana Chin's prison amnesty, a political move to make space for anti-2030 protesters. That was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Timina Mnangagwa on Tuesday, Cabinet approved a draft constitutional amendment bill that would extend President Chao and parliamentary terms from 5 to 7 years and remove the direct popular vote for the president, transferring the power to parliament. Speaking at a post-cabinet briefing, Minister Jennifer Muswere said the 2026 General Amnesty Act approved, paving the way for President Emmerson Mnangagwa to grant pardons to eligible inmates under this constitutional authority. Muswere said the move would benefit prisoners who have demonstrated good behavior and are ready to reintegrate into society. The aim is to ease overcrowding and improve conditions in our prisons ahead of the full rollout of the people of the parole system, he said. However, Mawarire, writing on X, questioned the government's motives. He claimed the amnesty was strategically timed to clear space for anticipated anti-2030 political detainees. On the surface, you think this is a benevolent gesture by a compassionate, humane president, but with Mnangagwa everything is calculated for political gain, Mawarire said. What is that? ED and Ziyambi have virtually emptied prisons, not out of empathy for the categorized prisoners, but to create a room for anti-2030 political prisoners, likely to occur as the regime clamps down on any resistance to the unconstitutional term extension drive tabled in cabinet yesterday. Mawarire's comments highlight growing concerns among political analysts and activists that the general amnesty may be used to preempt measure to suppress dissent against the proposed constitutional changes. Doma developments are reported in Zimbabwe. Pana comment section news of full aim to leave from super chat for each. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.